Norway, UK to provide Ukraine with long-range MLRS, Arthur counter-battery radars. The Norwegian defense minister said that these weapons had a great impact in the war and gave Ukraine the opportunity to disrupt Russian supply lines and disable a number of important targets behind the front line. Norway, together with the United Kingdom, will provide Ukraine with 8 M270 long-range multiple-launch rocket launchers and 3 Arthur counter-battery radar systems, Norwegian Defence Minister Bjorn Arielgram has said following a meeting with his British counterpart Ben Wallace, the Norwegian ministry's website says. Today we confirm the delivery of long-range artillery and radars. Norway is providing 3 Arthur artillery guidance radars and long-range MLRS, Graham said. He added that we must continue to support Ukraine so that it can continue its fight for freedom and independence. More weapons are needed, and these are capabilities that are very much needed for Ukraine, which we could not have achieved without close cooperation with the UK, Graham said. The minister added that these weapons had a great impact in the war and gave Ukraine the opportunity to disrupt Russian supply lines and disable a number of important targets behind the front line. Earlier, it was reported that Denmark and Norway would provide Ukraine with 8,000 artillery shells for the Caesar system. Meanwhile, the armed forces of the Kingdom of Norway will conduct training for 3,200 Ukrainian soldiers.